Welcome back to the Next Gen Car Channel, muscle car fans. Buckle up because what you're looking at isn't science fiction. It's the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about American power, style, and legacy. From a name rooted in 60s muscle glory to a design that looks like it rolled off a spaceship, this is the rebirth we've all been waiting for. Before we dive into this futuristic legend, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you love high-performance design, and drop a comment with your favorite Ford classic. Now let's explore the Galaxie like never before. Let's start with the front. The fascia of the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 is something straight out of a design lab from the future. It features a razor-thin LED light strip in place of traditional headlights, creating a menacing and minimalistic stare. The grille is subtle but wide, blending vertically slatted elements with a floating illuminated emblem that sets the tone for what lies beneath. Underneath, aggressive air intakes and a sharp carbon fiber splitter add a purposeful edge. This isn't just for show. The front communicates raw power with precision aerodynamics. From the side, the Galaxie's bodywork is sleek and sculpted to perfection. The roofline gently slopes into the rear, giving the car a fastback-like profile that screams motion. The door panels are flush and clean, with integrated handles and sharp body lines that slice through the visual weight. Huge blacked-out multi-spoke wheels give it a grounded, performance-focused presence, while functional air vents hint at what this machine is capable of. And let's not ignore the badge on the fender, Max W, which could be a hint at the performance package or special electric trim. Now to the rear, and this might be the best angle of them all. A continuous LED light bar stretches across the back, broken only by diagonal lighting accents that feel both modern and sinister. The Galaxie 500 lettering is proudly displayed across the tailgate in a futuristic typeface, while a bold Ford emblem grounds the identity. The rear diffuser, dual exhaust tips, and aerodynamic fins all combine to form a rear that's just as thrilling as the front. It's sleek, sharp, and totally unforgettable. Inside, the 2026 Galaxie 500 feels like stepping into a fighter jet cockpit merged with a luxury lounge. A panoramic glass dashboard houses a massive curved digital display that seamlessly blends the gauge cluster and infotainment center. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and touch-sensitive, while ambient lighting pulses gently around the cabin. The materials are high-end. Expect Alcantara, brushed metal accents, and stitched leather that wraps around sculpted sports seats. Tech-wise, it's loaded AI-assisted voice control, wireless charging, augmented reality navigation, and a premium audio system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. When it comes to the engine, Ford is keeping things under wraps, but the whispers are getting louder. With the MAXW designation, many believe we're looking at a dual-motor electric powertrain with up to 650 horsepower, capable of going toe-to-toe with the Tesla Model S Plaid or even the Lucid Air. Others speculate a plug-in hybrid variant with a V6, turbo paired with an electric motor for a brutal combo of torque and tech. Either way, the Galaxie isn't coming back quietly, it's coming back to dominate. As for the price, early estimates place the Galaxie 500 between $65,000 and $85,000, depending on the trim, battery range, and performance configuration. For a vehicle that fuses iconic American muscle DNA with futuristic tech, that pricing is aimed right at modern performance buyers who want the best of both worlds: style, speed, and smart technology. The 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 is more than a revival. It's a revolution, a classic reborn, not in retro clothing, but in the language of tomorrow. It dares to push boundaries while honoring a name that helped define the golden era of muscle cars. Whether you're a longtime Galaxie fan or just discovering the legacy, One look at this machine and it's clear Ford didn't just bring it back. They evolved it. If the future of muscle cars excites you, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives and let us know in the comments, has Ford nailed the modern muscle look or gone too far into the future?